Hi, I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. I get excited with Friday afternoons like this because sometimes Friday afternoons, as we all know when we're in business, can be challenging. Certainly been cold and rainy here, but everything's gone well, particularly this job. Got a Toyota Hilux. We just finished the turbo. We've come up from the original 39 kilowatts up to 57. Now people go, oh yeah, wow, that's nothing, 57 kilowatts. Let's just remember you're pumping that out of a 6-cylinder Land Cruiser standard, non-turbo. This is now a Hilux with the little 3-litre and it's turbocharged. So as we sort of say, it'll at least make it a gear to a gear and a half better and certainly give you a lot more pulling power. Have a look over on these graphs here, the non-turbo, and there's the turbocharged power graphs. The air fuel ratios was quite rich before, and now with the turbocharger we're getting lots of air. We're of course running leaner on the top there. And of course torque, well, dramatically. There's the old torque right down the bottom, and there's of course the new torque graph, which is again probably somewhere in the vicinity, I need my glasses on, nearly 100 newton metres of torque. We'll run over here and have a quick look at the turbo system. There it is, tucked down in there with the heat shield. All the pipes to cross everything over onto the air cleaner housing, all tucked away neatly. So job done, Friday afternoon. Get the customer sorted so they can get back to, I think they're way up near Mudgee somewhere, and job out the door. So I love these turbo systems. When they're done properly, you get good reliability and particularly good power gains. Just remembering again, keep it in mind that these things are a non-turbo. They can be turbocharged as long as it's done safely and not over the top. We've got the power now of a 6-cylinder and it's a little 4, so we certainly don't want loads more. Probably lots more left in it, but nothing will last. As we say, when they go like a rocket, they go bang. So look after your diesel, get it set correctly. I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel, and you can see more of these videos on our Facebook, YouTube channel, or go to berrimadiesel.com where you'll find more technical information.